Hello, first graders. It's Miss Smith again, and you were right. We're talking about Mother's Day once again today. It is Thursday, May 6th. Now, remember we said that Mother's Day is on Sunday. So we have Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 3 more days until Mother's Day. I hope that you've started to think about ways to celebrate your mom or someone who's like a mom to you, your aunt or your grandma. And today we are going to be writing the person that is so special to us, our mom or grandma or someone like our mom or our aunt, whoever you're writing to. You're going to write them a letter today to make them feel very special. This could be part of their Mother's Day present. Maybe you have already made them something or you're buying them something, but this could go along with that. And you know what? I bet this will be your mom's favorite gift that she gets, or your grandma's, whoever you're writing to. I bet it will be their favorite gift. On the second slide, I have another story time for you. This could, once again, give you some ideas of some things you could do to help celebrate mom or grandma or aunt. Then I have some ideas of what you could include in your letter. Now, you won't be able to type on these slides because I want you to write your sentences on paper. So you might find if you have just a plain blank white paper, maybe a piece of notebook paper, or if you have construction paper at your house. You could write the first sentence and say, I love my mom because, and then tell her why you love her. And then one thing I like to do with my mom is blank. So those are 2 sentences that you could use. You could write, I love you, Mom. You could add more to your letter or to your writing that you make for her. But these are 2 great sentences that you could include. I have an example here of what it would look like if you wrote to your aunt or if you wrote to your grandma. Then on the next slides, this is some example of some artwork that you could make. Now, if you have a printer at your house or someone you know has a printer, you could print these out and glue them onto paper and make them your own. In order to do that, you would have to go to File, and then you would go to the word Download. Now, I'm going to have to zoom back in so that you can see my word download. Oops. Okay, so you would go to download, and then you would download it as a JPEG or a PNG, or even actually a PDF would probably be the best. And that way it will come up at the bottom of your screen, and then you could print it off. And it would just do one slide at a time. So if you wanted to print this slide, you would say File, Download, PDF. And if you wanted to print the next slide, you would have to do that more than one time for it to print. But now I know a lot of you don't have printers at your house, and that is okay. I left these on here for everybody because this could show you how to draw some flowers for mom. You could draw the stems. This shows you how you could draw them on paper. You could also draw a vase. And this would be how you would make her a bouquet of paper flowers. You could make your own flowers for her. This is also an example of a Mother's Day card. So you might take your paper and fold it in half. We know what that word half means from math. We're going to fold it into 2 equal parts. And then on the outside, you could write Happy Mother's Day and draw her a picture, and then write your message on the inside. That just gives you some ideas of how you could make your own card for her. So either you can download them. Remember, go to File, Download, and then you would go to PDF if you have a printer at home. If you do not, then use each slide for examples of how you could draw your very own flowers or your very own card. I hope that you enjoy writing and making these things for the mom, grandma, aunt, or special lady in your life. And I hope that this makes their day. If you would like to show your teacher a picture of your writing, you can insert an image of your writing on whichever writing that you did. So you could insert an image here if you wrote about mom, if you wrote about aunt or grandma. On slides 3, 4, and 5, that's where you would insert an image of your writing. All right, friends, have fun celebrating your moms this weekend or your grandma or your aunt, and make sure to give them these letters. It's going to make their day and make them feel so special. Bye, guys.